Hi everyone, I'm Valentina. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll share with you one of my favorite apple pie recipes. For this apple pie it is best to use sour apples, or at least more sourish than sweet apples. Then we will get a really good touch of sweetness and sourness combination. For the finest shortcut pastry we will use 600 grams of flour, 300 grams of margarine, 2 deciliters of sour cream, 4 egg yolks, 5 tablespoons of sugar, and half baking powder, that is 6 grams. Pour the sifted flour into a larger bowl, then add the rest of the ingredients. The egg yolks, sugar, sour cream, soften the margarine, and baking powder. If you add a pinch of salt, it will taste even better. If you have, feel free to add the zest of 1 lemon. This is optional, but it will add up to the flavor. Knead the dough until completely smooth. The best is to wrap it in cling film and chill the prepared dough for at least half hour. The wrap will keep the dough from drying out and from picking up any unwanted smell from the fridge. For the time the dough chills, peel and shred 7 to 8 bigger apples. I shred them on the bigger holes. First, squeeze the juice out of the apples. This is the finest apple juice you can taste and serve to your kids. They will love it. Add the juice of a half lemon to the apples, and if they are more sweet than sour, then you can use even the juice of 1 whole lemon. Then add 5 to 8 tablespoons of sugar. This will highly depend on the sweetness of the apples, so try them. Add 1 vanilla sugar too. Grease the baking tray with margarine and dust it with flour to prevent the dough from sticking. The dough chilled for this time, and now we can cut it in half. Roll out the first half on a well-floured surface. Make it big enough for your baking tray. Gently pick up the crust and lay it out on the tray. Now it's time to put in the apples. Use the whole amount. I like to add here at least 1 fist of chopped walnuts. If you like, add cinnamon too. Roll out the other part of the dough and cover the apples in the baking tray. Poke holes with a fork through the whole surface of the apple pie. This will prevent it from raising unequally and breaking. Finally, brush it with egg white. Bake it on 200 Celsius until it starts getting color. Then lower the heat to 150 Celsius and bake it until done. Once the pie cools down, cut it into smaller squares and dust it with powdered sugar. Enjoy this simply good, real classic homemade apple pie. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss a single simply delicious recipe.